He's so dumb.
It's not as funny anymore. It's so funny.
Look at him. Look at him rolling around like a little pansy. So if he falls off, I will die laughing.
Hi, Jesse.
Hey, Jesse. Did you say die or hi?
Hi.
Look at him crying. Look at him. I'm trying to open my text, but I gotta read it through the camera. Why am I in my drafts, Rashay? What are you doing with my friggin' phone? Yeah. You recorded her. Yeah. Dumb. Yeah, I know.
You can't see it. It's too dark. Never mind. It's adjusted now. Ouch! Hey! Come here, little faggot muffin. Oh, come here. Ew, your butt's yellow. Hey, sexy. Bitch. Don't put that on YouTube. I don't want to hear myself cuss. That's mean.
You heard yourself cuss on there. On my phone.
Katisha, get your ass inside.
You heard it like 50